Hello, hello, hello. How y'all doing? How y'all doing? Um, this is Jerry the Wanderer, speaking. Hold on one second. I'll go ahead and get myself started up, and I'm on. All right. So a couple things. Real quick. I'm trying to remember what I did. I figured ran into ran into a couple of issues. I figured I got most of what I want done on the debug. Me right now is basically just testing. I was testing out the features and making sure everything's working properly, especially with the going to combat. One big thing I'm trying to figure out right now is just the combat thing. I'm trying to make sure that when this is I'm trying to make sure that this button is actually active. So right now, what I'm going to do is get an opposition, which is the red. Like, okay, which it did the thing. It's like we have opposition. We have 2 more units on this grid, 2 more units, 2 more teams now are in combat. But I think I'm having some issue with the combat manager, because what's supposed to happen is what's supposed to happen is like once everything is set up and ready to go, it should probably let us know that everything's good to go. But I'm not actually it's not actually doing that. So right now I have to go back in here and check up what is on what's going on, and this is like one of the things that's getting false, that there is not enough players, not enough player units, which is strange. It should, because the player units is should be greater than or equal to 0, which is, and wait a second, greater than and equal, greater than is max units. That might be why. Maybe that might be why. Looking at it now, because I just now got gone and just with a clear set of eyes now, and this might be incorrect. One second. This is from my our project. Let me take a look. Can start. Okay, actually, yeah, this is incorrect. That explains everything. Wait. No, wait. Oh. That messed up again? 1 second. Okay, player units. A player unit is greater than or equal to the player units, and the player unit set number is not greater than these max units. Oh no, this is no. This is correct. Okay, if I don't get the thing solved, I'm go. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm looking. All I'm caring about is enough units, enough teams, and not in combat. These are the three I actually care about this time. Enough player units is like, what's supposed to do is, in game there's supposed to be a set number of units that the player can be in. They have a max of two. A max of 2 to a max number of units. Right now it's just coming up with it does come with the max units. Actually, I'm gonna do this way then. I'm gonna do this. I'll have this area commented out, and I'll go from there. Because what's supposed to happen in the game is that when the game starts, there'll be an initiation phase where, or more likely a preparation phase, where the player has to set up a specific amount of units in order to start the game. And once they do, they can then start the game. Right now, the max units is weird. And the player unit right now should be at least 0. So with that said, this should work now. At least I think it should work now. All right. Because in game, the player units are going to be just gonna be blue team. All right, here we go. Everything's going awesome. Still really need to get that taken care of. So we're gonna be able to click start combat, and combat started. It's just nothing's happening at the moment. All right, cool. What we have here: attempted access, unit C, garbage. Okay. So what's happening here is is it telling me that the unit in combat are not working properly? Okay. All right, so basically what's happening right now is like when I click on it, it's going to have this called and what's supposed to do is get all the information of that unit. And I think there might be a couple of nodes that I was trying to get, but might have failed. I mean, the unit exists. This unit exists, no problem. It's the information that's trying to get. North, false, No, no, this is working properly. Okay. Attempted to access via probably local unit, but is not valid. Okay. Why is that? Let's see. I put 3 here. 1, 2, 3. Maybe 1, 2. I didn't think I needed to check if the units are valid at all until now. All right, let me try again. Okay, here we go. Current exception thrown was read. Access violation. Incest of 8. Okay. All right. Something happened when in set team unit order. Here's what I'm going to do. Of course, like when I see something like that, it means a crash. I usually press play, see if that's an issue. Apparently is. So I have to go ahead and close that down and come back to this. What I'm gonna do is right now I have a invitation on this. Actually, yeah, I have an invitation on it, so I'm going to go in here. And basically just try to get this code in the blueprint, so I can get this running. Because one thing I don't want to do is like I don't want to keep going and just like sit there and just like hope everything's working properly. Alright, so right now I'm going to go ahead and just go back and just get that taken care of. I say get that taken care of when we get that all go to my old project, copy it, and paste it back on this project. Come on. Here you are. All right. Do this. Da, da. Okay. Couple things I need to have, like return. Of units. This just needs to be array. And we're trying to compare this high speed or like top. To be very honest, this is like we almost actually following a tutorial on this. This was something I add on later because I want the unit to be able to compare its speed to every other unit. Of course, I think I could just I don't think I'm gonna worry about it right now and just let it happen. Just like whoever spawn in there first, they go first, and I'll worry about speed order later. I think I could probably do that right now. Just really want to get all of it running. Bam, bam, bam. Continue. We should have. It says 9. The first. Interesting. The first 3 are unknown class. Let me show you. I think I have stragglers in my unit in combat. And I don't know why. Let me go back into here. I think my code will be better. Like it should, like everything should be working properly, but it's like I think I might have something that's telling it to not do that. Good range. I had a lot more code when, back then. Here we go. Initialize grid. Now units get active class. It's getting all the units in the world. That should be 3. And it's casting those units in here. It's just getting now the information of that unit, its index, what team it is, and does it have AI? And adds the, and it should add the unit in it should add the unit in combat. All this should be fine. It all of a sudden got called in 3. What the heck? It looks like something got called again. Maybe. All right. Oh no. Something got it seems like something got called in 3 times. Then it started adding the new ones. Okay. That means I need to find out where I need to find out what how is it adding more units. Then we go to game mode. This is the only thing that's being called. Okay. Let's follow this shape. Initialize grid. We're just going to end up converting this to a function. Initialize grid, and we'll just again go back to my old project because I don't want. I don't want to be here just putting away, just trying to get all this solved. what am I doing? There should be a grid already in here. That grid visual, path finding. Okay, that's weird. Here it is. I'm about to say, what the heck? On tile index updated, and we're just getting the unit. Get all actors of class. Basically just units. I want to get its index. I want to get its index. It is AI. Get class, direction. Override level. Make a couple of locals. Is local unit direction. level, and if they're going to have a level, I'm assuming they're going to have a level. No, I'm saying why I'm assuming they're going to have a level. I think. I'm not sure I should call it a job level. I'm calling it sorry, made there. So yeah. And that's at least local unit override level. Then once all that information is there, we destroy the actor. Then spawn the unit. All we're doing right now is getting its direction. Saying its direction. Saying its job level. Overriding. Then we're adding unit in combat. Alright. This should all this should work, and it should give me a clear maybe get a clear idea of what's happening. Because everything's supposed to do one by one. So why are we getting more? Sorry for clearing my throat. It's just now. Okay. We 1, 2, 3. You know what? Maybe let's do this. Instead of this way, instead of destroying the actor right here, let's destroy the actor after the unit. Let's destroy the actor after the unit. No, wait. No, let's go ahead and do that way. Let's see, we got 0, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, there's only. Where are you getting calls from? Zero, 1, 2. Okay, where are you getting called from? Left action. I don't think that's supposed to get called. Or this needs to be called. Okay. Because, okay. I said this is going to be polished, but I realized this is actually a really bothersome bug. Because, what's supposed to happen is like this. This is supposed to happen correctly. It didn't initialize this. This gets initialized, and it only need. This is going to get called. This is only get called 3 times. I mean, it's going to loop 3 times because there's only 3 units on the grid right now. I'm staring at this like, is this being called again? Where is it being called at? Who's calling it? I should see 1, 2. Let me actually print this out. Okay. It's getting called multiple times. I'm figuring I now know why. Let's make it local. Let's make this local. Units on the grid. And this is gonna be just this. Because what's probably happening right now is it's getting the 3 units, and once it's getting called again, it's getting the additional 3 more units, which it should not be doing. One, two, three. Okay. All right. We'll go to this. There are this much units in the grid. There are 3 units of the grid, and it's being called again. Okay. Initialized grid is getting called twice. That's what's happening. It's getting called twice. Question now is from where? Okay. Maybe I disconnect that one and just run it normally. Oh, maybe it's coming from from here. I mean, yeah, okay, that makes sense. Okay, then if that's the case, I'm going to leave where it's right now, because if this is being called, I can not sure if I want to delete this or leave it as leave it as it is, because this is exactly doing what it's supposed to do. I think I'll leave it where it is right now. All right. Oh. Okay. Man, I got so flustered that I am starting to click around things. Here we go. Okay, we didn't even need that. Okay. There we go. And if I highlight this and select unit, make it red. Okay, now everything's working properly. That explains why my grid's why this grid is looking not my grid looking weird, but why the pattern was looking weird. Good to note. Now if I hit combat, we should not be getting error. We're just getting things working in combat, and everything's like doing exactly what it's supposed to do. Like already, we're not in combat. We're already in. Already got what we need. Awesome. And this is getting unhighlighted. Awesome. 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 And no errors. Okay. think what I'm gonna need to do next is I think it's getting their skills going. Was it skill animation or attack skill animation? I have both of them. I don't know why I have both. Okay, why do I have both? Which one is it going to be taking? It's taking the attack animation skill. Attack skill animation. Okay. Gotta get rid of this, any lingering code I had. Right. Okay. What I'm doing right now is I'm trying to add the particle effects in here. I think I have all the I think I should have everything in here. I don't think I need that. Here we go. Nothing's great than just having a thing explode. To say that everything's working properly. Okay. Okay. In the skills, we'll get all this information here. And then it's supposed to play. Okay. So week supposed to might have to broadcast a thing to tell it to play the play the skill animation. But where is it supposed to be? Where can I call this? Actually, hold on a second. I think it should be called anyways when I click on your left or right in debug. Let me take a look at my skill list. Here this is, and here is select, and here's cast skill. All right, and here's cast skills. Cast skills going to do what cast skills going to do. However, it doesn't have the unit itself. Yeah, we can't get all active class. Is there a way I can just grab this without trying to if there's no unit? Okay. Okay, so we don't have looking at this, we don't have an exact way to. All right, let me explain what's happening. Whenever I click on a tile, it's going to spawn a skill animation. That could be a box blowing, a slash, that sort of thing. Just to indicate that this has been activated and this hasn't been hit. However, the way I do is through cast skill, and cast skill is going to spawn this. It's going to spawn this. However, I don't have a way to activate from here. So I think I may need just to return this. I could probably make this cast skill a return value. Just so I have something to cast it with. Just so I have something to fire off. I think. It's either that, or I just go. Yeah, I think I'll do this. technically I wouldn't need it to be returned, but just in case, I just want to make sure I get I just want to get the skill out there. Go back here, let me go in here, let me go ahead and go in where my combat manager is going to be at. I don't need the grid, I don't need the unit, I just need the combat manager header. I'm just telling this to return, I just return this and return null pointer, or actually let me do this. Hold up, there's a thing called return here. Oh, maybe that's not actually, maybe not that way. If finished in combat, return. Okay, I don't think we're finishing the combat right now. We'll have a return this. Of course, if there's nothing to get spawned out there, it's gonna be returned null. So this should be fine. This should be fine. I think it should be fine. Okay. 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 Great. Are you saying that this is no? What's happening? Cascade must return a value. Oh. And we'll need you, because now we have that made in the top, so we should be good. I can tell you. Well, let's see. While this is getting cooked and everything else, I can tell you one thing. I have been I've been going out, being busy as much as possible. I went to my improv. I say improv class, but it's not. But more like in my improv coaching place, where where I go out and get trained to be better at improv. There were a couple of games we did. One of the things we basically learned is just how to tap people out to move the scene forward, or to get a actually just literally just that, just how to tap people out and how to swipe a whole scene. It's basically some basic stuff, but it's like it was maybe some things that we haven't known and learned, or something you want to keep in mind. So that's that. Let's see. Now we're back here. Did I save? Yes, I did save. Okay. Okay. Spell hit. Spell animation hit. I think I missed something. Yeah, I think I did miss something. Okay. Okay. Void. It's called play. Basic animation and missing implementation of that. It doesn't even return anything. It's basically just this. And I feel like I have multiple thumbs. Excuse me. Okay. Save event. That should be it. All right. Now we build again. Hey. What I did, I just basically just add in a function, a blueprint native function. All I'm doing right now is like I just need this to be exposed in blueprint, so I can add animations on the on the grid, animations on that blueprint. and have it cast to a particular spot. That's kind of about it. Okay. Now I go back in here, go in here, test. And basically animation. That's what I'm looking for. And I think and my action, I think under debug, grid, combat. Here we go, cast skill. You now have a value that returns. Is valid. This is gonna be local this is gonna be a local skill animation, and what we're going to do here is check if this thing is valid. And if this thing is valid, we also want to say debug play animation. Branch that out and have the local skill animation to play just play skill animation. That's it. They do for each loop. The particle Niagara and have it spawn at location. It's about transform. That is. Ooh. Here we go. I don't think I have that set up in here. Yeah, I don't have it set up. But I have exposed, so I can actually go back here and just override it. Yes, files. Find. Break. And have it return its tile information. Now we gotta break its transform. And offset, I think we want to have the offset to about 100 because we want the we won't be able to see the animation above it. And on target hit on skill. What's basically happen right here is going to do for each loop. And we only want this to happen once. On spell animation finish. Also, I'll have the expose as well. I should probably rename that skill instead of spell, but I can come back to that later. Reference yourself and destroy. And this should be fine. As for the this, we have just explosions, and all I'm gonna do is test out that this skill is actually being called and implemented. Here goes the skill. Let me go to skill test. Oh. Okay, here's what happened. My skill day is actually using the wrong one. The skill day is actually using the wrong information. So I need to go back and change that. Not skill cast. Skill data effects. That's not it either. Let's pick one of them. Here we go. Attack skill animation. That's what we're trying to use, not the other way around. I mean, I mean, go back and open the attack type and have that, and go in there. But I think I'm being lazy here. Attack types. Okay, here we go. There we go. Okay. Should be good now. We should be good now. Oh, wait. Hold on a second. Did I solve it? Yeah, I think I solved it. I hoped I solved it. Otherwise, be coming back here again. Okay. Okay, what I'm doing here. We want to go into my asset skill tab. There we go. I don't know why I have both in open, but I think I wasn't sure which one it's going to be using. Origin doesn't mention. Build the asset. Okay, current skill data, skill data assets. Okay, it's gonna be using this one here. Okay. Right, things should be going as planned now. Okay. Skill S, try out. Uh-oh. Current skill data is not valid. Okay. Thinking about it now, I don't think I got the I don't think I got the skill list highlight when I click on something. Let me take a look at my skill list. Okay, I have to select it. And okay, I don't think nothing. Okay, nothing is happening in here. Real quick, let me go back to my core UI. Okay, yeah, there's nothing happening in here. Cool. Then is there supposed to be something happening within this button? I think so. All right. Do I have everything I need? Okay. We're gonna move my code around. And just look at things that I might be missing. Okay. You want to get the player action, make sure it's balanced. What I'm doing right now is like getting I'm just basically getting the range pattern and the cast spell set up so it will do it'll cast spell. Because right now when I select a button, like any of the buttons right now, it does not cast a spell. Well, more intuitively than not, it doesn't have any spells. It's not using any of the spells to be cast. More or less. Okay, select file unit kill range pattern. And We won't get the selected cell. What can I get from here? Skill data. And from skill data, what can I get from there? Assets, modifiers, effects. Yeah, here. Yeah, these are definitely what we're looking for. Is labeled at 0.1. Have it show cell range pattern. All right. Okay. Next up is the right. Like action right click, and we're looking for cast to EP. Cast skill. And I think for that one, I need to get I'm thinking it just I need to get the skill. That's it. Skill. Yeah, just skill. And that's gonna be coming from you. Yes. Awesome. We should be good now. I think. Let me take a look at that. Let me take a look. Okay, I think I'm gonna need to select the tile. Here we go. Usually I don't complain about how hot it is in my room. Well, for this one, it's kind of feeling steamy. Albeit I'm running two computers, one streaming right now and the other one just doing this. Because if I try to do it all at once in one computer, this 3D model ain't go up. What isn't going to show up? Like it's all it's going to end up showing up is the 2D one that usually pops up when I talk in Discord. And it's not like I want to hide them or anything like that. It's just that I'm basically just trying to go for a certain particular look. for my style of streaming. I mean, right now, this is pretty much like a more chillax go through, just doing development, playing chill music. One like is one loop music. Then just do development. At least that's what I'm trying to do. What I'm doing right now. I am expecting to do a little more later on in the future, but just like not sure what to do. Not sure what to do, but just want to try to approach this in a simple, samey way. All right, let me go and get grid tiles. There was a game jam that I was hoping I was planning to go to, but I decided not to. Just so I don't lose track on not getting this finish. Oh, speaking of getting things finished, I got a 3D mauler. I found a 3D mauler I want to use. It just really popped up on Twitter. And they said need help. I definitely need help on models, so actually we was able to grab him, ask him out, and now I should be able to get at least some more models out quicker. Now I know what time I expect these models to be out, but I'm not going to blab them out right now. Especially I don't want to blab out. Any more characters than I should. Not because of anything bad or anything like that. I just want to keep these characters a secret before I start throwing them in there. So now thinking about it, I don't want to showcase all these models out at all at the moment. Just want to try to get the four out there. So y'all will be able to see them yet. But one thing I am just pretty much excited, really excited on seeing those models, those character models right now. List action. What is it? Is it list action? Where is it coming from? Oh wait, hey, here we go. It's probably this one right here. And ooh. make array. Move right in. Okay, this one on selected tile change event. This one is supposed when I select a tile and there is a unit on that tile. What I'm supposed to do, what I'm supposed to get is information on that its skill. Problem is we don't have I don't think we're there yet, so I don't think I need to worry about that right now. I'll probably get that updated later on once I'm able to place these skills onto these particular units, because most of the units will have a class like warrior, mage, healer. They will have those classes will have specific skills they can use, and the units will have their own specific units they can use as well. Aside from their classes. I think right now the units. I'm not here yet. I'm not actually here yet. So I need to go ahead and get. I'll leave this. I'll leave it like this, and I'm pretty much gonna end up coming back to this later. I have not typed this badly ever for a while. Like I have somehow I got two big thumbs trying to type out on my keyboard. Even like that right here. There we go. Let's try again. Oop. Unit. Skill. Okay. But I should be good here, I think. Oh, yeah. Now what? I think that's it. Okay. I think the next step I need to do is maybe test it. Yeah, that should be it. Okay, like this. Is the button doing exactly what it's supposed to do? Mm-hmm. Hmm. Okay, so I'm getting the left action, right action is not the same, I think. Yeah, that might be the issue right now. Oh, wrong one. Okay. Okay, I can see this is actually doing this thing. And it should be coming up in my abilities. No. My assets. I think I want to be able to change these things. As it's coming up as diagonal. Five. Let the S2. This should work. All right, now we should be. Okay, I'm right clicking, but I don't think it's doing the cat. I don't think it's casting any spells. Here we go. This has cast skill and this. Okay. Let me take a look at cast skill, and it does what I'm expecting it for it to do. Is okay. All right. Maybe do me a big favor real quick. I don't think I need to. I don't need to. Doing special. All I need to check if the skill is actually getting. Skill animation is actually being spawned in. Click on this and right click. All right. Okay, so looking at this, it's definitely did its job. It's actually bring out the spawn. Then it's checking it's valid. It should be valid. Oh, that's why. It's false. Okay. Let's actually go back here and debug play animation. We're gonna make this true. Never right click. I should see animation being played out. There we go. Yeah. Although I think it's being played on all 5 tiles. Is it excessive? Yeah, it's excessive, but it's doing the animation. I could pretty much go back and do all this layer. But all I want to try to do is see if this is actually doing its thing. Which, looking at it now, yeah, it's doing its thing. I select a tile. It's going to change. I do need, however, to have these tile highlighted. Like, I can't tell if I'm selecting the tile. Of course, and I'm also, of course, since I have selected cast tile of off, I can't tell if I'm selecting this tile at all. I can't tell if I'm selecting this button at all. So I need to fix that. Well, let's see what else we have here. Set cast. Event. Why? What's the issue? Access none. Trying to read the. Okay. It is saying that this didn't have anything here. So I think what I'm going to do. What's happening here is like it tried to get the data from this, but nothing was coming up here. So I think what I need to do is check if this is valid. And what I'm gonna do is do an boolean. Make sure if both of these are true. I don't know if we can need to do both need both of them be valid, but I want to make sure that I'm able to select these properly. Oh. I can definitely see the mouth. Ooh. Let's see. Bro, I think I got where I wanted to be. I'm pretty sure almost done with all of it. I think what I can do, I want to go through all my animations and get all that sorted out. But I want to get my I want to go ahead and get the game up and running. We have I think I have everything. I think. I think right now I need to go back and just fix the buttons and make sure they're all being selected. And once I have that taken care of, I think I'll go ahead and call it from there. I think after that, I say tomorrow, but not tomorrow. Wednesday, I'm going to finish up the Wednesday, I'm going to be able to finish up the game. As I say, finish up my debugs and actually get all my things running. I'm also going to try to get the AI to work. No. Actually, no. I'm not at that stage yet. The stage I need to be at is getting the combat grid working. That means that I need to be able to have the game to select which unit needs to go first, have it move around, have it end its turn, have it play a skill once, have it move once, and turn, Then I need to see the unit, another unit selected, either the opposite end or the player end, and have that moving. And once I have that nailed down and make sure everything's gone the way it was, I then need to have the AI working. And these are gonna be, I think, these are gonna be done at the before the end of July. These should be done before the end of July. So yeah. Oof. Okay, so right now these should be working. It's just now we need to check if these buttons are doing its thing. Okay. Real quick, I need to make sure these things are actually able to highlight itself. And I think the way I need to do this is to check on its button base. Because they do have a way to it does have the way to select which button is being selected. Okay. I think I should be done. Should be ready here. Okay. Let's try it now. Oh, hello. Okay. What's going on here? Looking at this now, I think what's telling me right now that the way I had before is unnecessary. Okay. Y'all may have not seen it, but the way I actually got this working is, well, I just these buttons were actually just common UI buttons. What it means, they have certain functionality when you select them, and it's gonna be common across all buttons. You don't have to create when you create like a new button, you don't have to change all its information. You just need to load up its style, and it'll come up like this. And that's for all the buttons. I figured this didn't realize that till now. All right. Okay, button's working. I think that's about everything. I guess no, actually, I'll spend a little more time actually getting these test skills out of the way. No, actually, I think I'll do that. I'll do that off stream because that part's gonna be tedious. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and end it right here, folks. It's getting a little late, and I'm getting a little tired. I'm trying to. I have a assessment test I need to do for an interview. So yeah, that's what I'm going to do. So thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching, and I'll see y'all next time. All right, I'll be back on Wednesday and doing this. I should have at least the debug stuff done, and I should at least be ready to be able to tackle the combat system. But after that, I should be ready. But thank you for coming by. Thank you for watching. I'll see y'all next time. All right, bye bye.